Have you just signed up for MCT's RFID solution, or want to learn about the functions of our RFID solution? In this video we will be demonstrating how to plan in, check in, plan out and issue out your items. To start stocking a new shipment of items, you must first create a new receiving plan. This can be done through our web app. First click on Stock In and now click on Receiving Plan. You will be able to view your current receiving plan from here. To add a new receiving plan, click on Plus New. Firstly, select the facility you wish to add the receiving plan to. Now select the warehouse. And now select the corresponding stock zone. And after that select the location for your receiving plan. Now type in the item code or choose a previously added item code using the drop-down menu. Enter the quantity of items that will be stocked in. And now select the receiving date for your items. And lastly click Save. Done. You have successfully added a new receiving plan. To view your receiving plan on your Android RFID mobile computer, you will first need to launch the Inventory Management System app. First log into the app by typing in your organization name, username, and password. Once you are in the homepage of the app, tap on Warehouse. Now tap on Product Tagging to tag in the items which you have done up the receiving plan for. Once you have tapped on Product Tagging, you can see the current list of items that are waiting to be tagged. To locate the item you would like to tag, swipe on the screen to locate the desired item. After you have located the item to be tagged, tap on the item, and ensure that the RFID power is set to the correct strength, 13 if you are using the RFID Android mobile computer at close range within 15 centimeters and 33 if you are using it within 3 meters. The default power will be set at 28, which is suitable for usage within 1.5 meters. Since we will be doing this demonstration at a close range, we will be setting the RFID power to 13. Once you are done, tap on Open RFID and you can now just wave the Android mobile computer to detect the tags. Now tap the back button once on the Android mobile computer, after that navigate to Stock In and locate the item which you have tagged. Once you have located the item, tap on it and you should be taken to the Stock In screen. To complete the Stock In, locate the item which you are stocking in. Adjust the RFID power according to your needs and then tap Open RFID. All you have to do now is to just wave the mobile computer to detect the RFID tag. If the correct tag has been detected, the following message should appear: the plan is matched, confirm to update the inventory. If you have followed everything according to this video, you should see the following appear on screen. Tap on Yes and you should see the following if the operation was successful. If you have done everything accordingly, congratulations, you have just successfully stocked in your first few items. If you have successfully stocked in your items, we'll see the following. And the status of your item will be closed. To issue out the items, go to the RFID web app and click on Stock Out. And click on Issuing Plan. You will see your current issuing plan. To add a new issuing plan, click on Plus New. And now select the appropriate facility's name. Now select the correct warehouse. And now indicate the correct stock zone. Select the location name where you will be issuing out the items from. And now select Issuing Items, item code from the drop-down menu or type in the item code manually. Now indicate the quantity of items that will be issued out. When you are done with the above, select the date when the items will be issued. Lastly, click Save. And on the RFID Android mobile computer, Tap on Stock Out. Now locate the item which you are planning to stock out. Once the item has been located, tap on it and adjust the RFID power to a suitable level. And after that, tap on Open RFID. Since we are doing this demonstration at close range, we will be setting the power to 13. Now wave the Android mobile computer, and if all the tags are detected, and a pop-up which says, "The plan is matched, confirm to update the inventory," should appear, tap on Yes, and that is it. You have successfully stocked in and stocked out your items. If you have successfully stocked out your items, we'll see the following. And the status of your item will be closed. Our inventory management solution also allows you to view the movements of your goods. As you see from the screenshot, the item T590 was stocked in twice and stocked out twice. Our RFID management software will keep track of all received and issued goods, helping to simplify your life. If you require more assistance with our RFID solution, or are interested to find out more about our RFID solution, do reach out to us by sending an email to info@mct.com.sg, or if you would like to speak to us, you can also reach our office telephone at 66358268, or you can also reach us via mobile phone anytime, any day at 985010098. Thank you for watching.